I love this loft up here. If you had guests over staying for the night or staying for the weekend, they have plenty of room up here to have their own loft. They have a full bathroom up here and their own bedroom. You could put your guests up here, or if you had a favorite child, they would have their own living area.
Absolutely. This house has a lot of extra space. So you have this loft, as Ryan mentioned. We also have a den downstairs and a sunroom. So if you have overflow guests, if you need home office or offices, and if you need a workout room, all of the space can be customized for you. It's a great open floor plan with a lot of wonderful natural light that you will enjoy.